Good morning, Rajni Sharma here. So, today I thought let me just make a video and show my account live to all of you so that everybody can understand what is going on and where we are standing at this moment and where the company is heading. So, it's better to do this way. Okay, I'm signing up. I'm logging in my account. Okay, as you can see here, my ID number is 81, right? And we are at day 2 after launch. So here you can see my back office. So my income in this 2 days is 136 Ethereum, and which is equivalent to 31,824 dollars. Wow, that's huge, isn't it? So, and by the way, for Indian rupees, it's 23 lakhs. It's almost 24 lakhs actually. So, what I have earned in 2 days. So, that's huge. I applaud everyone in my team because it's a team effort. I can't do it personally, I can do it individually. Yes, it's a team effort for sure. Thank you, everyone in my team. Thank you so much. So, now moving forward, as you can see, the company statics. So, here in just 2 days, what the company has accomplished actually, uh, 40,000 members and company in just 2 days. Guys, this is massive. And then if you look at it, 11,917 people, means almost 12,000 people joined today, and we are still counting. In a day, total ETH earned in the system is 9,913. And what is best, out of that 4,127 ETH were earned today itself. So that is huge, that is very huge. Numbers never lie. The system is very transparent. We can see everything in our system, whatever is in and out, because it's on smart contract, it's on blockchain, so nobody can cheat this. I'll show you my personal statistics as well in L1 and L2. So here it goes. In L1 I have made 34 Ethereum, and in L2 I made 102 ETH. So here we go. In line 1, if you look at it, I have 12 slots completed in line 1, L1, right? So here is I have signed up 98 partners personally in my team. So what that mean, 98 different teams I have signed up all over the world, and all 5 continents. I have teams, I have very big teams. They are just planning their strategy and going to make it big, very big. And then here 0.05, 54 partner, 0.1, I'm receiving these payments, right? Because this is L1 matrix, and L1 is always about our personal metrics. And in L2, let me just go to L2. I have 13 levels in L2. I've already purchased them. Now if you look at it, 98 partners in L2 as well. So everybody is joining. You know that we have to join 0.01 L1 and L2 first level always. And these are the statistics in L2 matrix. So you see, I received 0.05 ETH from 54 partners. I received 0.1 Ethereum from 40 partners, 0.2 from 27, 0.3 from 20, 0.4 from 12, 0.5 from 5, 1 ETH from 4 people, means I got 4 ETH, and 2 ETH from 1 person. Actually I got from 2 person, because the statistics maybe it's completing in back office, because as you can see I have already third and fourth in 2 ETH. So this is how it works, right? And yeah, in level 10 if you look at 3 ETH, uh, I've got 3 payments of 3 ETH, because third, fourth and fifth it comes to us. And in level 11 I've got one partner, as I got 3 spillovers, but as you know, first and second I don't earn, nobody earns. From third, fourth, fifth we earn personally, and sixth one goes to our upline. So I received one payment in my account. Oh wow, even for level 12 I got one payment as well. Wow, that's awesome. And even in sixth, if you see, I have received first spillover. Okay, so once I receive second, and then it will come down to third, fourth and fifth, and then I'll receive 6 Ethereum from 3 people. So this is how big it is. I'm going to upgrade to next levels very soon. Okay, so this is my back office, right, as you can see. So guys, this was just to let you know where we are heading. We are planning our Zoom meetings. We are planning our Zoom meeting in Hindi. We are planning a Zoom meeting in English. So there will be so many things coming up. We are planning a good promotion for our team as well. Guys, just get ready. We are going to roar very high. Thank you so much. This is your boy Rajneesh Sharma again, and I'll come up with another video showing you my live back office next time. Till that time, bye bye, take care. Let's go.